Very good evening to all of you. Are you confused between the terms such as nerves, neuron, tract, ganglion, nucleus? These are the terms which are very basic in neuroanatomy, and we frequently heard these terms in physiology as well as anatomy. But we sometimes mix it up again. I will make it very easy for you in next 60 seconds. So let me discuss. The first is the neuron. It is very important to understand that neuron is actually equal to one nerve cell. It is the basic structural and functional unit of the nervous system. The nervous system composed of various neuron. Okay, now neuron has three parts. We have the dendrite, we have cell body, and we have axon. Each part has different functions. Now, nerve. So, what is nerve? It is actually the collection of axon. It is actually the collection of axon in the peripheral nervous system. We have heard about various nerves including sciatic nerve, median nerve. So it is actually the collection of axon. Mind it is not the collection of neuron. Okay. Now, in the peripheral nervous system, that you have to remember, it is called nerve. Now, the same collection of axon or a bundle of axon, but not in the peripheral nervous system, it is actually in the central nervous system, is called tract. We have heard about various tract in the neuroanatomy. We have corticospinal tract, spinothalamic tract, various tract. These are collections of axon. Okay. Now, if we talk about the collection of cell bodies, it is not axon, it is actually the cell bodies. The collection of cell body in the peripheral nervous system is what we call the ganglion. We have heard about various sympathetic and the parasympathetic ganglions. These are actually the cell bodies in the peripheral nervous system. Okay, but same group of cell bodies in the central nervous system is what we call the nuclei. These are actually the nucleus which will it is not the nucleus which is present inside the cell. We have learnt about various nuclei, dorsal nucleus of Vegas, mesencephalic nucleus. There are many nucleus which I hope you have heard. So these are actually the group of cell bodies. Okay, so let me summarize what we have learnt. But you have to remember from this session that if we talk about the cell bodies, the group of cell bodies in the peripheral nervous system is what we call the ganglion. If we talk about the group of cell bodies in the central nervous system is what we call nuclei. If we talk about the group of axon in the peripheral nervous system is commonly used term, that is nerve, and in central nervous system it is called the tract. Okay, so these are the things. I hope you will not mix up again, and that's all for today. Please follow for more such content. Thank you.